Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn new topic in Excel. Transpose, rotate data from rows to columns or vice versa. This is data showing in rows A, B, C, D. It is rows and we need to transpose data from row to column. We want to write A, B, C, D like that. How can we do the whenever the data showing in rows but we want to transpose from row to column? It is very easy. We just select data, then copy it. For example, we have to paste here. We just click right, paste spatial, and here you see the option transpose. Click on it and press OK. Here you see the data transpose from row to column, or vice versa. The second thing is vice versa. If you want to transpose data from column to row like this, A, B, C, D. How to do it? Just copy the data, and we transpose data into row. Right click, paste spatial, transpose. Okay, here you see the result. The data transpose from column to row. This is row A, B, C. These are rows and these are columns. Data transpose from columns to rows. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, you may freely discuss in comment box. Thank you so much.